We live in a world that is very different than it was just 10 short years ago. In many ways, we face challenges that will shape and define a generation. But if one thing is certain about our communities on the Central Coast, it's that when times get tough, we come together. And together, we are stronger. Our Central Coast is one of the finest regions in all the world. Look around you. The quality of life that we share here is one of a kind. It's our pride. It's our collective identity. And at Dignity Health, we're doing our part to protect this quality of life. We are 3 hospitals with one mission: to provide state-of-the-art healthcare on the Central Coast, taking our collective knowledge and paying it forward, knowing that what we do today will leave a legacy for generations to come. We are Dignity Health of the Central Coast, recognized for quality, safety, and service.